reception. I just wanted to do a little investigation with you today. And so what we're going to do is we're going to investigate the different ways of making 6. Because I know that when your teachers have been introducing numbers with you, you've investigated the different ways in which that number looks like to really help you to understand the 6-ness of 6 or the 5-ness of 5. And so that's what we're going to have a go at doing today. So I've got 6 spots for my ladybird. I wonder if you could help me count. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots to go onto my ladybird. I do apologise that my spots are white. Mrs. Pearce didn't have any black counters to be able to use. Now my 6 spots can look very different on my ladybird that I've got here. I could put 1, 2, 3 on one of her wings, and then I could put 1, 2, 3 on her other wing, and all together that 3 and 3 equals 6 altogether, doesn't it? I think I've made a calculation there, haven't I? I'm going to write it down over here on my board. So I've got 3 spots, add 3 spots equals, can anyone tell me how many has the ladybird got all together? Let's have a quick check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 can be made with 3 and a 3. So I'm going to write 6 over here in my best writing. There we go. So we've got 3 and 3 equals 6. But I could make 6 in a different way. I could make it look different. So I wonder what other way I've got. Have you got an idea in your head what we could do? Okay, well, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of these spots on this side, and I'm going to put that one over there. So how many have I got here? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots on this side of my ladybird. I'll put them out, make them look pretty. And how many have I got on the other side? I've only got 1 on this side, but still all together on my ladybird, I didn't put any more on her and I didn't take any off. So there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. I've just made them look different. This time I put 5 spots on one wing plus 1 on the other wing, and all together that made 6. Okay, so we found 2 different ways. They're both different. They're not the same. They've made the same number, but we've made it with 2 different ways, 2 different calculations. Let's see if we can find another way. Keep thinking, see if you can think of another way of doing this. What could we do this time? Okay, I think this time I'm going to have 4 on that side, and I might move 1 over here. So now I've got 4 spots on one wing and I've got 2 on another. So our 6 looks different, but it still makes 6 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put over here again, look, 4 plus 2 equals 6. So now we've found another different way, haven't we? What about if I did this? I could put all of my spots onto one side. So our ladybird has got 6 spots on one side, but he hasn't got any here. What number would represent the fact that he hasn't got any at all on that side? He's got nothing on one of his wings. That's right, it would be 0. So we've got on here 6 spots, add 0 spots equals 6 altogether. I wonder, children, if you could make something like this at home and see if you can investigate for me all the different ways that you can show and make 7, and see if you can write them down as addition number sentences like Mrs. Pearce has. Good luck, everybody. Bye-bye.